Explore the Semiconductor Learning Factory from Festo, a data-driven learning environment where students develop real-world skills for advanced semiconductor and electronics manufacturing. Learning takes place in a smart cleanroom equipped with an air filtration system, environmental sensors, and ionization bars. Students monitor and control air quality and static electricity with real-time data displayed on dedicated screens. In the gowning area, students follow industry-standard protocols and wear personal protective equipment to help maintain a contamination-free environment. At the heart of the production area is the CP Lab, a modular and expandable Industry 4.0 learning system underpinned by a didactic manufacturing execution system (MES) that simulates real-world workflows. Students gain experience in process planning, real-time data monitoring, and quality assurance. Students handle two types of workpieces, silicon wafers and printed circuit boards, using a vacuum wand and grounding equipment. Workpieces are removed from FOUP cassettes and placed on RFID-tagged carriers that travel through the cyber-physical system. Students learn the basics of laser etching to engrave serial numbers, barcodes, or logos for traceability. Wafers can also be scored for dicing. High-resolution cameras inspect the wafers and PCBs for surface defects and verify etched data. Throughout the production process, students monitor and manage electrostatic levels using closed-loop sensors and ionization blowers to prevent damage to sensitive components. Robotics is another essential part of training. After electrostatic testing, a 7th-axis robot with custom tooling picks up wafers and places them in cassettes. Once full, the cassette is moved to a handover window for collection by an autonomous mobile robot, which transports it outside the cleanroom for further processing or packaging. For advanced quality control, students use a digital microscope to conduct 2D and 3D inspections, an essential step in modern semiconductor production. Get your students ready for successful industry onboarding. The future of semiconductor manufacturing starts in your classroom.